Happy Friday, everybody.
Happy Friday.
We're coming to you from UpKeep headquarters. I'm Rachel, UpKeep's Associate Product Manager.
And I'm Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder. And it's a beautiful day here in LA.
Yeah, we're really excited. We have a lot of exciting features that came out this week, and we're really excited to tell you all about them. So I'll hand it off to Ryan for the first one.
The first one that we're super excited to announce today is set of parts. And what that's really meant for is for you to be able to create this set of different parts in your inventory so that you can easily add them. And what that's really awesome for is when you're scheduling work orders and you have kits that you prep together, which are, maybe 5 or 10 different pieces of inventory and parts. You can basically, in one click, add all 5 or all 10 parts into one work order so that it's super easy, so that you can schedule all your jobs in kits now versus one at a time. Really, really awesome. Check it out. It's available on web as of today.
Yes.
And coming to iOS and Android very soon.
Very exciting. And in addition to that, we have additional features that came out this week as well. First being the ability to filter your assets by their operational statuses. So those downtime statuses that you can set, customize, and the ones that we have as default, you can now actually filter your assets by those statuses. So we always want to enable our users to be able to have more powerful filtering and be able to have that additional level for reporting. So we're really excited to be able to announce that we have that additional filter there. And also in addition to that, we have a redesign of our locations page on web. Also very exciting, get in there. It's a very sleek new look and a different functionality now that you'll see. You can actually drag and drop your sublocations to change the order that it shows on the page. So maybe if alphabetical doesn't work for you, you want to group them in a different way, maybe by their zones, anything like that, go ahead and drag and drop and move them for your own personal organization. And last but definitely not least, we have a lot this week. For iOS users, we did a redesign of the team page as well. So you'll notice as you're going through and taking a look at your teams, the users, and all those pages, it has a great new look, some additional information there. So definitely go and check all of those new features out.
It's a big week for releases.
It's a long list.
But really awesome. Check out the iOS app. Check out the people and teams page.
Yes.
Check out the locations page. It's really, really awesome.
Yeah.
And then if you guys are wanting to jump into better scheduling, kitting of all of your parts and inventory, definitely check that out. It's going to help a ton.
Yes.
Last but not least, we got in some new swag, driving reliability on UpKeep.com, and our facilities run on UpKeep.com. That's pretty cool. I'm going to put them on my car today.
Oh, yeah. Now you can drive in style supported by UpKeep.
Yeah, let us know if you want some. We'll reach out to you. We'll send them over at no cost.
Awesome. Yeah, well, thank you, everybody. Happy Friday, and make sure to get into your UpKeep account and check out all these new features that we just added because there's a lot and they're very exciting.
Happy Friday!
Yeah. Woo!